Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I would like to explain about functions in a spreadsheet. Functions in a spreadsheet. But before going to that, a small request. Those who are visiting first time to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now let us see the concept of functions in a spreadsheet. Here we are using OpenOffice Calc as a spreadsheet. Now let us see how many functions are there. Here we have sum, one function, average, maximum, minimum and count. So here we have totally 5 functions. Now let us see how it will work in spreadsheet. First of all, I'll tell you some examples. See here. Here two numbers are there. I want to calculate the addition or sum of these two numbers. How we can calculate? We know that first of all, to give any formula in spreadsheet, we have to give the equal sign first. After that, 35 is in which cell? That means address of this cell is B2. Okay, B2 plus after that C2 and another number 25 is in C2. Press the enter button. Okay, this is one. After that, suppose here I want to calculate these three numbers 50, 20, 30. We can calculate the sum or addition like this also. First, give the equal sign. After that, click on 50. See here automatically the address of this value has came. After that, plus enter button. Again click on here. Again plus symbol and again click on this 30 and press enter button. This is also one method. But if we see the third example here, the many numbers are there. Here we want to calculate the result here. We want the result here. So for that, if you go for is equal to, how many times we have to click? This one we have to click after this one, this one, this one. It takes much time. It takes much time. So if we go through this method means it takes much time. Here we have to click here, 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 here. It takes much time. So for that purpose, here I am using a sum function. How means? See here is equal to sum. I'm using sum function. Yes, sum function, and here we have to give the open bracket. After that, see, click here and drag like this up to here. Okay, again give the close bracket and press enter button. In this way we can use the sum function. See here, sum function. And one more scenario I'll tell you. See here, suppose I want the total here. Which numbers? 35, 30, one value is here and one value is here and value is here. So like that also we can do. Give the equal sign, sum, give the open bracket. Now you select which numbers total you want. This number, press the plus symbol. Again this number, again give the plus symbol from the keyboard. So this symbol, this symbol. Okay, so after that just give the close bracket and press enter. Okay, right. So this is about the sum function. So when it comes to the average also we can find out. Okay, suppose if we want to find out the average means same. See here, okay, is equal to, we have to type the complete name average, average, open bracket, for which numbers you want to calculate the average. So select all the numbers from here to here and give the close bracket. See here, and press enter button. This is the average 38%. Okay, so this is about maximum minimum. So I will show you one example. In that example we will see all these functions: sum, average, maximum, minimum, count. See here, one report is there, student report is there. Okay, here 4 students are there, and that these 4 students marks are here in the subject English, Math, Science, Social, Hindi and Computer. Here we have to calculate the total marks. Total is nothing but sum. After that, average we have to calculate, means percentage, and maximum means out of the 6 subjects in which subject he or she got the maximum marks, and minimum means out of 6 subject marks in which subject he or she got the minimum marks. Count means numbers count. Now let us see one by one. See here, we have to calculate the total, means keep the cursor here, give the equal sign, sum, open bracket. Okay, so from which number to which number we want the total, means from here to here. That's it, simple. Give the close bracket and press enter. Okay, so this is the total. If you want to see the formula, which formula we have used to come this total, means click here and observe here. This is the formula we used to come this total. That means the formula is distributed in the input line or this on this formula bar. Raju's total we have calculated. If you want Ramu, Ramya and Ravi, means no need of entering the formula again and again. Just keep the cursor here. This plus symbol will come now. Just drag the mouse here. Automatically all the totals will come. So not only 4 students, if you have 1000 students also, calculate the first student total with the formula. After that, just you drag, you will get the totals of 1000 or 2000 students also. Okay, right. After that we have to calculate the average, means percentage. Percentage we have to calculate. For that also, first of all we have to give the equal sign. After that, average, 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 open bracket. Okay, so after that, from where to where? From here to here. Automatically it will takes the references from B35 to H35. See, sorry, total will not come in the average, up to computer only. Right, here give the close bracket and enter. So 81% first student. So no need of again calculate the second student, just drag like this. See, okay, right. So now the next function is maximum. Maximum means here how many subjects are there? Here 6 subjects are there. Out of these 6 subjects, in which subject Raju got maximum marks? You observe here, in social, in computer he got 98 maximum marks. Now how it will give, means is equal to type max, max, open bracket, from which number to which number we have to drag like this, from here to computer. Okay, again here we have to give the closing bracket, enter. See, 98. Okay, it is displaying 90. That means 98 means in computer subject. See here, that is called as a maximum. If you want the maximum marks of remaining students also, just drag like this. For minimum also same formula. Minimum means out of 6 subject, in which subject he got minimum marks. For that also formula is equal to min, minimum, open bracket. Now select the reference and give the close bracket. Click on enter. See here. So okay, no need of calculating the all the students minimum. Just keep the cursor at the corner, right side down corner, and drag the mouse. And count. Count means, see here, the last one is count function. Count is nothing but here, from here to here, how many numbers are there? 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means it will display in count 6. Count means it will count the numbers only. From here to here, 6 numbers are there. From English to Hindi means 5 numbers are there. From English to social means English, math, science 4 only there. So now let us see how it will work. See here is equal to count, 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 open bracket, and here we have to give the from which value to which value. See here I'm taking up to Hindi. Hindi means how many values are there? It will count 56 1, 78 2, 84 3, 96 4, 75. That means here the count is 5. Give the close bracket and you enter. See 5. See here is 5, but remaining in all 6 are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, for Raju we have taken up to Hindi means it was, that's why it's displaying 5, but remaining all here we are not mentioning. So now let us see how the count is. Okay, so here we have given 5, so that's why for them also it is coming 5. Suppose if we take here 6 means automatically here also for all students it will come 6. Okay, so now let us see. Suppose is equal to count, count, open bracket. Now you observe here. Now I am taking 6, and out of 6 subjects, how many? And out of 6 subjects, in which subject he got? Sorry, count. We are counting here. Okay, how many is values we have selected? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now you observe here it will get 6. When now if you drag 6 will come. See here. Okay, so this is about functions in a spreadsheet. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.